Hi there. Thanks for joining me. It's Annie from the Energy Medicine Clinic. Take some deep breaths. Breathing right into your belly button, right into the solar plexus. The energy of what makes you who you are. Allowing yourself just to relax and look at the reflection in the water. Interesting thing about reflections is as you look at them, they're not quite exactly as the original image. They're a little bit blurry, a little bit fuzzy, a little distorted. And I think about what we all as people reflect back to the world. How we are inside might not be a clear reflection on the outside. We reflect as we are, as we see things, as we experience them. Think about what's working in your life, as well as what isn't working. And how does that reflect in your life? How are your relationships with your friends, your family, your co-workers, but more importantly, yourself? How is your relationship reflecting with yourself? Are you giving yourself the love that you deserve? The love that you give to everybody else freely? Are you giving it to you first? Are you encouraging yourself the way you encourage your friends? Do you spend the time on the self-care that you tell everybody else to do? Just be curious and think about how you are reflecting and how you are showing up in your life. What can you do to support you today, right now? Is it taking a deep breath and just letting everything relax? Feeling your shoulders relax, or your jaw, or your fists? Where are you holding your tension? Just take some time to notice where you reflect and what you are reflecting. Because what you're reflecting is how you are. And like this water, are you nice and calm? Or is it a storm in your life? I just encourage you to be curious. Have a great day. Thanks for joining me here at The Rocks.